How to log in Fiverr. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to log in Fiverr. Login in Fiverr account is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Visit Fiverr's website, open your web browser and go to Fiverr's homepage. Click sign in, look for the sign in button usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on it. Enter your credential, enter your registered email address and your password. Click continue. For Facebook, Google or Apple, click the corresponding icon and follow the prompts to log in using your Facebook, Google, Apple account. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can log in Fiverr. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.